Welcome back to the channel, guys. Timberman Outdoors again. Been a long while since I made a video. Me and the two dogs and the wife out for a boil up today. Fine day for it. Anyway, we'll get back with you here shortly. Here we are walking into the boil up spot to go get some water. The two dogs and the wife in by the fire. Wonderful day in the Big Land.
Springtime.
Yeah, I know. Groundhog said it's early spring.
Yeah. That works good.
Yeah.
Hot dogs for lunch.
And tea for dessert.
How's the hot dogs?
Dog wants some too.
You want some hot dogs?
Okay. Keep it.
Another fine day. Kettle on for a cup of tea. Lucy's pissed.
Archer's trying
Of course.
to take the roasting stick.
Just trying to steal the wiener stick. And Flossy's pissed because he's trying to take the wiener stick.
Tea for dessert.
Yep. Hello, buddy.
Uh-huh.
Oh, hey, you want some? Looks good old tea, don't it? Looks on smooth, don't it? Until I start selling.
Oh, sit, Arch.
Take a skidoo for a ride or
No, he's gonna fall.
Gonna shiver halfway through.
Yeah. Sit down, Arch. Sit.
What's he trying to do? Lie on my coat?
Your coat's falling, so. There you go. Just stay like that. No, he's gonna fall. You gotta go long ways. You're too long to go sideways. So how the frig was I up here earlier? Bye. Lie down.
Coming down.
Go see Dad. Go see Dad. Sit, Autumn. Sit on your bum.
Anyway, folks, as every other adventure, all good things had to come to an end. Back in the garage, had a wonderful boil up with the 2 dogs and the wife. Beautiful day out there. Anyway, starting them all up, so I should get some more videos out now. It's been a while. Anyway, like, subscribe, and until the next adventure, see you next time.